Your tag expired on the 21st.
No, it don't. I thought I had it in the month.
Expires on midnight.
They sent us a letter, and my wife, she gets the tags for the car and the truck.
Yeah.
And she told me, well, I got till November like 10. And I said, well, go down today and get them. She's going down to Plaquemine today to get them.
Okay.
And she's waiting on me to get back. I got to run to Daytona and get some parts for this truck.
Okay. What takes you this way?
Well, I thought it was a shortcut there.
Oh, okay.
Ain't there a shortcut there? Yeah, there is.
To Daytona?
Yeah. No, I'm just going to 92. But I'm trying to get on the backside to stay out of the traffic.
Okay, gotcha.
I hate traffic.
Gotcha, me too.
You guys into oysters?
No, I'm not. Is that where you're headed?
My brother, I'm going to get parts for the truck. I was going over to get parts.
Okay.
You want to just do me a favor, boss? I'm gonna have you step out here with us.
I can't believe I'm being arrested for a suspended license. Man. Yeah.
That too tight for you, boss?
Cut the circulation off on one of them. A little bit.
Sure, 313. Yeah, 113. Yeah, 113.
Did it say why Georgia was suspended?
Nope, just that it was suspended.
214, you ready for the second 28?
He said he knew he needed to do something in Georgia for about a week now. He knew to be able to
6 Classic
get
Court North, number 6 Classic Court North. I believe CPR
get
is
a
going to be
license. Inmate release status for cocaine, so it makes sense.
On teletype.
Oh shoot, is this for real? Let's throw this to the side. Oh god, get away, get away.
Back out real
Just
quick.
back out.
Cloth.
Get out of the truck for a second.
Just get out of the truck.
Get out of the truck. It looked like a possible grenade. I have no idea. I just opened that up. I don't know if it's fake or...
Grenade?
Yeah. Hey, Gib, I'm going to have him go ask him
Yeah.
about it. Hold on a second. I don't... I really don't care about the Mirandizing of it. It's for our safety.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that. Just ask him, is this what does he know about this grenade? Is it live or not? Is there any more grenades, explosives in there?
Do you know anything about this grenade over here?
Yeah, it's your collector. That's all it is.
Is it, I mean, is it
it live?
legit grenade?
I never had it checked. I mean, I just found it.
You just found, where did you find it at? Because nobody wants to get hurt in an old,
In an old house.
okay. How long have you had it for?
Probably 3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years, and it's been riding in the back there?
Yeah, it just stays in the toolbox. I mean,
Okay.
I'm trying to find somebody collecting them. And
Okay. So you don't know if it's like a live?
Boom, boom,
I
or
never had
nothing.
it checked.
Okay.
Okay.
Are there any other ones besides that?
No.
Just that one?
That's the
Okay.
only thing. I mean,